Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning to our fellow classmates. Okay, today we are from Aurora Group wants to present to you about a topic called cell structure and its function. Okay, we are from Aurora Group, which consists of member. First member is me, Nes, Tim, Zafira, and Mina. Okay, cell. What do we know about cells? Okay, many research have been carried out about the word cell itself. But what can we talk generally about cell is cells are made, all living things are made out of cell.
New cell are formed by the division of pre-existing cells.
Cell contain genetic material which is passed on from parents to daughter cells.
All metabolization takes place inside the cell.
Okay, we will then continue the presentation about cell structure and its function. Okay, the first one is nucleus.
Okay, so today, first we will talk about the function of nucleus. So first function of nucleus is chromosome in the nucleus contained in the genetic material of the cell. So next, the nucleus acts as a center to control cell activities and cell division. Lastly, the mRNA, RNA, and rRNA needed for protein and enzyme synthesis are synthesized in the nucleus.
Okay, next we will talk about endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, Zafira.
Next, I will present the endoplasmic reticulum. There are two distinct types of endoplasmic reticulum. First is a rough endoplasmic reticulum, and second is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Function of rough endoplasmic reticulum is consists of interconnected system of membrane-bound catenate sacs, is known as cisternae, and second got many ribosomes on the outer surface of its membrane. Next, smooth endoplasmic reticulum lack of ribosome and is a system of interconnected tubules. And second is abundantly found in cells involved in lipid and steroid hormone synthesis. Function of endoplasmic reticulum is intracellular transport of proteins. Second is smooth endoplasmic reticulum is the site of lipid synthesis, and enzyme of smooth endoplasmic reticulum involves detoxification of alcohol and drugs.
Next we will talk about ribosome.
Next, I will tell you about ribosome. So we know that size of ribosome is small, right? So that's granules with a diameter about 20 nanometer. We know that 20 nanometer is very small, right?
Yes.
Right. Okay, then the ribosome found attached at ER forming rough endoplasmic reticulum. The function of ribosome is site of protein synthesis. Then proteins processed by ribosome are transported by Golgi apparatus to be processed into digestive system in lysosome.
Okay, next we will talk about Golgi apparatus.
Okay, Golgi apparatus consists of stack of flattened membrane-bound sacs called cisternae. And second, Golgi apparatus is abundantly found in pancreatic cell, goblet cell, and cell intestines and ovaries, is levering cells. Function of Golgi apparatus is it receives vesicle from endoplasmic reticulum, store and modify the protein through glycosylation and adds sugar molecule to form glycoprotein. Second is formation of lysosome containing hydrolytic enzyme. Third is in plant cell, Golgi apparatus secretes polysaccharides for the formation of cell plate and cell wall.
Okay, right. Next is lysosome, the suicide bed. Okay.
So now the lysosome. The lysosome are surrounded by a membrane composed of phospholipid that separate the inside of the lysosome from the membrane's external environment. Then, thirdly, lysosome are like a floating garbage bag that contain enzyme capable of digesting molecules. The function of Lysosome is the digestion of ingested food. Second, fuse word out organelle with the autophagism and enzyme that release the digest the organelle. The last is in all our damaged cells, enzymes are released to digest the cell. The process is known as autolysis.
Okay, next I'm going to talk about mitochondria. Okay, mitochondria is known as the powerhouse of the cell. Why is known as that? I will talk to you about it later on. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, the mitochondria are made out of two membranes. There are two membranes consist of cover the organelle and contain it like a skin. Okay, the inner membrane it creates pull over many times and creates a set called crystate. Okay, the fluid contained in the mitochondria is called the matrix. Okay, next. Okay, the function of mitochondria. Okay, this is why the mitochondria is known as the powerhouse of cell. Why? Because the most important function of mitochondria is to produce an energy. Okay, like we know, cell also carry out its living process, and living process need to energy to carry out the process in the mitochondria. Okay, the simpler molecule send the simpler molecule of nutrition sent into the mitochondria to be processed to be charged molecule. Okay, the charged molecules then combine with the oxygen to form an ATP. The ATP molecule. The ATP molecule is then being energy to the cell. Okay, the process is known as the oxidative phosphorylation. Next, mitochondria help the cell to maintain the proper concentration of certain ions within the compartment of the cell. Okay, the mitochondria also help in building certain parts of the blood and hormones like estrogen and testosterone. Okay, in the liver, the mitochondria in the liver also have an enzyme that helps to detoxify the ammonia. Okay, lastly, the mitochondria also play important part in the process of apoptosis of programs such that the abnormal death of cell due to the dysfunction of the mitochondria can affect the organ. Okay, this is what we know about cell. It's interesting, right? Okay, that's all from us. Okay, thank you.